I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been quiet for too long.
You're so awkward. Okay. Hey guys, what's crack-lackin'? Crystal's watching me make this video, so it's gonna be completely awkward. Okay. Okay. So today I'm unboxing two things. Right now, I'm unboxing this, which is my business cards and my mouse pad. Because I bought business cards because I'm going to Playlist Live. Oh my god, I'm going to Playlist Live. Ah! Yes, I am. Which reminds me, I have to text Jada. Okay, no, not now. Not now. Anyway, so I bought business cards and a mouse pad, and it just came today. Yes, I didn't prepare for this. Screw it. Okay. Hey, keys. I'm gonna do this though. Ah. Okay, you know what? Let me have those keys. Or not.
Maybe not.
I'm strong like bull. I love these things. That was loud. I wasn't really expecting that to blow up in my face though. Okay. Are you ready to see this mouse pad? I'm so excited to see this mouse pad. Oh my god! Look at it! It's so cute! Can you see it in the camera? It's so cute! Ah! Okay. Oh my god. That's awesome. Alright. Now, to see these business cards and what they look like. Can I have the keys? Because I don't want to actually break this. I'm super excited. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so cute! Oh my god. That's it? You can't see it?
No. It's like blurry.
It's blurry?
Yeah.
Use the thingy right here. That adjusts it. And then this is the back with all my info. Oh my god. Ah, it's so cool. Okay. I'm happy. I'm super happy with how that turned out. But my dumb ass, after I ordered these, forgot that I didn't put my Snapchat on there. But, you know, whatever. It happens. Oh my god. Okay. That's it for unboxing this part. I have another thing I'm going to unbox, but I have to go to the store first, so that's a thing that's going to happen in a second. So I'll be back in just like 2 seconds because you're not going to know the difference. Hey guys, it's later in the day and I'm back. So I'm using my new mouse thingy, mouse pad, that's what it's called. That's what I'm using. Oh my god, I love it. I love everything about it. So, time for part 2 of this, where we unbox my phone. Guys, I bought the Galaxy S9. I'm so excited to unbox this. I've had this for a couple days, so I was waiting for my case, and that's not coming for another 2 weeks. So I bought a temporary case, and I'm gonna use it because this phone is driving me insane. So, where did I put my keys? Excuse me, Pixie, I need you to stop being drunk. Thank you. Scissors, we're good. Got it. Let's do this, guys. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I almost hit myself in the eye with those. That's great. Oh my god, it's pink. I have T-Mobile. Look at that, it's pink. That's so cute. Okay, here we go. I'm just kidding. Ooh. Ah, I love that. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god. Guys, it's purple. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. This is why I got a case, because I am so clumsy. Let's turn it on. Can I take this off? Can I take this off? Oh. Oh, I love that feeling. Oh, I love that feeling. Oh, yeah. Who else likes that feeling, by the way? Comment down below. Ah. Oh. Oh, this makes me so happy. Ooh. Please insert SIM card. Okay, here we go. Nope, that's not it. Oh my god, that's because... This is how old my dad's phone is. Oh my god! Okay. Look, I'm gonna need you to go back in. Okay, we'll deal with you later. All done. Your phone is ready to use. Ah! I'm so excited. Oh my god. Let's put this on. My temporary case, by the way. Oh. I can take this off. Oh yeah. I really love that feeling. Oh. I don't want to break my phone already. Oh my god. Oh my god, why is this so difficult? Why am I having such a problem? Okay, I got it on. I got it in. Ooh! I'm so happy. I love it. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So pretty. Okay. That's gotta come off, because that's gonna annoy the hell out of me. Other than that, this is great. I love it. I love everything about it. I love it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Annie, come look at this. No. Please. No. Sans. Okay. This is the Samsung Galaxy S9. Let's look at this camera. We're gonna take a selfie. Oh my gosh. I don't like it. It's so clear though. It's very clear. I'll put yeah. We'll do all that fun stuff. Yeah, holy cow. This is my new phone. Galaxy S9. Oh my god. So many things happening right now. But, oh my god, that's it. Look at how pretty it is. It's purple. I got a purple phone. So happy. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I unboxed a phone. I unboxed my business cards, which are right here. very exciting. Very, very exciting. I'm so happy. I'm so, so, so happy. Yeah, these are my business cards. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, guys. Alright. I will see you later. Because I'm probably gonna come back and do some more fun stuff. Yeah, so I'll be back in a few. Excuse me, Mom. I'm filming right now, so if you could just shut up. This is happening.
Call from unavailable. Call from unavailable.
Are you done? Okay, cool.